219. Coming at you with a Valentine slash birthday package Happymail that I received from one of my besties, Stephanie. Hi, Stephanie. I'm super excited to get in here. All I did was open the box and the cards. Look at this cute Valentine card. Isn't that adorable? And this birthday card. So cute. All right, let's get inside of here. Look at all these pretty colors. All right, wow, what is all this? I'm so excited. All right, let me pull this stuff out, and then we'll move the box. Whoops. All right, who doesn't love chocolate? Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, look how cute that looks. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Stephanie. I don't know what to start with here. Let's start with what's unwrapped. Oh, isn't that cute? I love unicorns and mermaids. Thank you. Oh, this is cool. You can color it. Neat. Do it yourself. I will definitely use that. Yum. I love lip balm. And this is, it says ice cold berry splash. Refreshing lip balm. Cute. All right, let me move. I want to save that for last. And we'll start with the little one. It says hugs. She wrapped everything so cute. Oh, cute! Some Valentine socks. I love, 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 love crazy socks. These are super cute. Thank you very much. I'm going to save this. All right, let's do this one. Look how pretty this is. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love it. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Stephanie. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. I just adore it. I love it so much. I'm going to hang it in my art room. Oh, look how cute. Cupcake. Little tassel. Oh, isn't he cute? I guess it's a she because it's pink and purple. Isn't she cute? I love it. Oh, these are fun. These are Whack-A-Packs. How fun. I'll do these with my daughter. These are fun. You can get them at the dollar store or Dollar Tree. And you, let's see, it says you smack it and then it blows up into a balloon. It's the coolest thing. Thank you so much. These are so much fun. Ooh, when I count my blessings, I count you twice. Oh, that's sweet. Look how pretty that is. That's beautiful. I'll keep that in my purse. Oh my goodness, aren't these precious? Macaroons, how cute. Those are so adorable. And your packaging is so cute. Thank you. Look how cute this is. Is that not adorable? I want to save that. It's almost like a headband, but it's not stretchy. Cute. That is so cute. What is this? OMG. Oh, look how freaking cute this is. Oh my gosh. It's a charger. Oh, I'm so putting this on my purse. I don't care. I will so put it on my purse. Charge on the go. This is so, look how cute she is. Her little tutu. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Thank you so much, Stephanie. I love her. I don't want to put her down. She's so soft. So cute. Oh, these are pretty. Special day, birthday wishes. Cool, I don't have this one. Thank you. All right. Last but not least, look at this cool box. Isn't that neat? Come on, focus. Look how pretty. Oh, aren't they cute? Cherries. Remember, you are fabulous. That is so cute. I just love it. Happy birthday. Look at all these details. Look at the cake. How cute. I love it. And a little bow. All the details are just so precious. Oh, wow! An exploding box. You know what? I believe it or not, I have not made one of these yet. Oh, how cute is this? Oh, look at this squishy macaroo. I love these things. I'm such a kid. So cute. I love it. Thank you. Ooh, yummy. Krispy Kreme donuts, Jelly Bellies. Yum. Cinnamon, apple-filled strawberry, glazed blueberry, original glazed, and chocolate iced with sprinkles. How cute are these? Where the heck did you find those? How cute. And a magnet. Don't touch my stuff. Ain't that right? That is so cute. Ooh, look at this pretty sequin mix. Oh, it's got goodies in it too. What do we got in here? Oh, how pretty. It's got beads. Beads and sequins. Put some in my hand. Oh, and those little XOXOs from Target. How cute is that? So cute. And this cute happy birthday washi. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Look how cute this little teeny tiny card. Happy birthday, Tiffany. Oh, love it. This one says, let's party. I love these cherries. Celebrate today. So cute. And I love these cherries. What's in here? Let's see. Oh, cute little wood embellishments. Aren't those cute little teeny tiny ones? I love it. Those are adorable. There's more in there, but I don't want to ruin it. I can't get them out. But you get the gist of it. Those are so cute. Love it. And let's see what this is. Cute. That is so cute. Little vellum envelope. Come on. Stephanie, this is so cute. You did an excellent job. Come on. Cute little hearts. Pink hearts. Oh, look at that envelope. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Cupcake paper. And a ticket. And another cute cupcake envelope. That is so cute. Little die cut. Very cute. Thank you, Stephanie. Wow, I'm like so blown away. Stephanie is such a sweetheart, and I think it's coming on 2 years, maybe I can't even, I've lost track. It's been a while that we've been swapping together and have kept in touch, and we actually both share the same birthday, February 19th. So your box will be coming soon. I'm a little behind as usual, but thank you again. I'm so blessed to have a friend like you. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment, and have a great day. Thanks again, Stephanie.